Hi everyone, I am Ghulam Haider. I am your friendly math helper. I have a degree of BS in mathematics from BZ University in Multan, Pakistan. I have 6 year experience of teaching in different schools and colleges of my country. I also have an online teaching experience to teach UAE, SA and USA students. And now I am serving as a lecturer in college of my country. I receive the students from grade 4 to grade 12. Ever feel like math is confusing and hard? Don't worry, I used to feel the same way in school. I memorized the steps without understanding them, but then I discovered the method of knowing why behind the math. And now I am a full-time mathematics tutor helping hundreds of students from middle and high schools. As their IGC and GCSE exams, I can quickly understand where are you struggling. My goal to make math as easy and fun as possible. Trigonometry, algebra, statistics, geometry, calculus, you name it, I can break it down into easily to understand steps. Trailer my lessons just fit for you. I don't just teach you, I listen, I will work with your preference way of learning and pace. Trailer my lessons just fit for you. So, are you ready to dash the confusing and conquer math? Book a trial lesson with me. I am excited to help you to reach your goals. And love the math like I do. Meet you very soon. Bye bye.